Friends, now in the session of video we are going to discuss class 12th maths continuity, and we have already discussed to find out the continuity of a function of two type 1 when both sides the function are having same definition. In type 2 we will discuss and the function has two different definitions, means the function is changed after that point. Clear? And today we'll discuss type 3rd on finding the value of constant given in the definition of a function when it is continuous at an indicated point. Clear? So what we have to do in this one, we have to find the value of constant. एक constant हमको given होगा, उस constant की value find करनी है, and one more thing is given that the function is continuous. function continuous पहले से ही हमको यहाँ पे given है और हमें constant की value find करनी है. Clear है? Okay, let's clear our concept about this by using an example. Now in this example, determine the value of k for which the following function is continuous. So what value of k will find out for the function at x is equal to 3, that function must be continuous. Clear? k की किस वैल्यू के लिए फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस हो जाएगा? क्लियर? ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन, what we have given already, the function is continuous, so we can say that since fx is continuous at x is equal to 3, और हम लोग पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कंटिन्यूटी की प्रॉब्लम. देयरफॉर लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3 fx is equal to 3. क्लियर है? फंक्शन तो is already continuous, so if function is already continuous, so we can say that the limit is exist and the existing limit is equal to the value of function at that point. So x is equal to 3 पर हमें वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन लिमिट एग्जिस्टिंग लिमिट के इक्वल होगा. ठीक है? ओके, वी नो ऑल्सो एट x is equal to 3 fx is equal to what? k. So we can write that limit x tends to 3 fx is equal to, so f3 at the function is x is equal to 3, what we have? k. Why? Because f3 is equal to k. क्लियर? फंक्शन 3 पे कितना है वैल्यू हमको गिवन है? k. ओके, नाउ if function is exist, so we can write it as limit x tends to 3 fx is what is we have given? x square minus 9 upon x minus 3 is equal to k. क्लियर? फंक्शन की वैल्यू पुट अप कर दीजिए. नाउ इफ यू आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू इन दिस केस 3, so we get indeterminate form. क्लियर? 0.0. so that we can solve this. Limit x tends to 3 x minus 3 x plus 3 upon x minus 3 is equal to k, so it is cancel out. Now limit x tends to 3 x plus 3 is equal to k, and we can put directly x is equal to 3, x tends to 3. Why? Because we know that limit is exist, so we can write it as 3 plus 3 is equal to k, and finally we get k is equal to 6. Clear? So we can say that thus f is continuous at x is equal to 3 if k is equal to what? 6. Clear? For the value of k is equal to 6, the function is continuous. Clear? Now we'll take one more example. Now in this example 2 we have given, if the function fx given by fx is equal to 3x plus b if x is greater than 1, 11 if x is equal to 1, and 5x minus 2b if x is less than 1. Clear? Is continuous as at x is equal to 1, find the value of a and b. So what we have given? We have given that the function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Clear? And we have to find the value of a and b. Clear? Let's try to solve this. Solution. Since fx is continuous, at x is equal to 1, then limit x tends to 1 fx is equal to f1. Again, function is continuous at x is equal to 1, so limit exists and the limiting existing limit is equal to the value of function. Clear? Therefore limit x tends to 1 fx is equal to 11. Why? Because the function at x is equal to 1 we have given 11. Clear? Okay. Now the function is continuous, so we can write it as left hand limit and right hand limit are equal. So LHL, left hand limit fx limit x tends to 1 negative is equal to f1. Okay, one more important thing, if the function is continuous, so its left hand limit is equal to the value of function, right hand limit is equal to the value of function. Clear? So left hand limit is equal to the value of function, so we can write it as limit x tends to minus 1 minus, and the function we have given 5a x minus 2b is equal to f1 we have 11, so we can put up x is equal to 1, so we get 5a minus 2b is equal to 11. Equation first. Similarly, RHL, right hand limit at x is equal to 1, limit x tends to 1 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, and the value is 3x plus 3a x plus b, and this is equal to f1. Okay, when we put up the value x is equal to 1, so we get limit x tends to 1 plus 3ax plus b is equal to 11. Now you can put x is equal to 1, so we get 3a plus b is equal to 11. That is equation second. Clear? Okay, we can solve now. On solving equation first and second, solving equation first and second. So we can solve first and second. 5a minus 2b is equal to 11, and we can multiply by 2, so 6a plus 2b is equal to 22. So we can solve this. 11a is equal to 33 a is equal to 3. Now if you put the value of a in any equation, so 9 3a plus b is equal to 11 we have given. So 3 into 3 plus b is equal to 11, and b is equal to 11 minus 9. So b is equal to what? 2. Clear? So at a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, the function fx is continuous at x is equal to 1. Clear? If the value of a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, then function is continuous. Clear?